may I start? संस्कृति है तो आस है कि संस्कृति है तो आस है, बिना संस्कृति के मानवता का विनाश है. A very warm good morning to everyone. I am Princey and I am here to deliver a speech on the topic culture of India. And before that, I want to say thank you to Amir sir and Vipin sir for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. So firstly, I want to say, what is culture? Culture is referred as the way of living and the way a society functions. For example, if we take Atiti Devo Bhava. What is this Atiti Devo Bhava? In Indian culture, when guest comes, we used to say these words because we treat our guests as a god and treat them with love and respect. Our Indian culture is not only just about saying namaste to our loved ones and touching feet of our elders. It is our Indian culture is in the our Indian culture is an honor to respect our spiritual growth and spiritual awareness. So, if we talk about the Indian culture, it came firstly from our Indian families. Our Indian families, a small kin group of people who choose to live together, and gladly helped each other. But if we talk about the other parts of world where the families are very individualistic, because they have to take appointments to meet their families, their relatives, their brothers, sisters and their parents also. If we talk about the Indian culture, clothing system, sari is the cultural wear of women and kurta pajama for the men's. But in metro cities now, our youth has adopted a western wear in which they wear pants, shirts, skirts and all. If we talk about the food has a very wide range in our Indian culture, because in northern part of India, roti of wheat, bajra and flour is taken, and in southern parts a very non-oily and light meal were taken. And if you talk about Odisha and Bengal, they were using fish curry, is very famous. Indian culture is not only about all these, it is also about the dance, singing, music. All these things make our Indian culture. Indian culture is also about our religion. India certainly adopts so many religions like Jainism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity and all. But about of this, so many things, the most important learning came from our holy books like Ramayana and Mahabharata and so many spiritual scripts. Our Indian culture the way we write, the way we listen, the music, the dance forms, the food we eat, the clothing, how we wear, how we carry, all these things come into the umbrella of culture, and this is what our Indian culture. Thank you so much for appreciating me.